and today we are playing Among Us and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, you can see my name Prateek Butara. We are not creating any games, we are going to play public mode and not the Malika server. You can see my name, it is Prateek, and let's go guys, let's go quickly. So guys, here in, we will enter a room. So guys, I'm going to go into this room. You can see we are in guys, and you can see my name Prateek Butala. I have been given the dark blue color, and you can see my hairs. I like this hat, and it's the most beautiful. Let's tell them to start the game, and they have started guys. You can see. Let's hope I become the imposter. No guys, we are the crewmate. Okay, so we what? Divert power to upper engine. Okay, this is the easiest task and it is the smallest task of life. Yes, imposters are going to lose so quickly. Everyone is just going to do the reactor because this is the smallest task. I'm just going here, accepting. Guys, you can see how much the bar fills when one person completes his task. And dead body, oh my god, already 3 have died. This is not good. Yellow is what? Security. No, I don't want to ask where. Who? Come on, tell me who. Let's skip. Why skip? Green sauce. So we are voting white. Yes guys, we are going to vote white out. He's looking sus, and dark green is also looking sus. So I think both of them are the imposters. Skip. Why to skip? I think he's sus, bro. 3 people are safe, so no one is ejected. But dark green is too much sus. He's directly telling us to skip. I think dark green is sus. Oxygen depleted. Run towards the oxygen. I think light blue is sus. Done. I think light blue is sus. Little bit. I'm going to stay here. Wait. Okay. Why is she going still there? I have already completed. Ninja girl is sus. Sus. Little bit suspicious. Oh my god, guys, we just lost the game. 101%. I knew that was dark green and white. They were looking so sus, guys. Let's play again. No issues. So guys, let's continue our gameplay. Why do I get these bad colors? Can you give me your color, please? Please give me my favorite color. I told you it was white and don't start. Hey, don't start. Wait till there are 10 people. Got it? Don't start right now. Now start. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. At 5 o'clock, my friends will also come to play Among Us. I am the imposter. Now let's see. Tasks are too small, so we need to get on killing or sabotaging something quickly. I have sabotaged O2 for now. I'm going behind this white, and because he's not going there, everyone has gone there. We will stay in Medbay. Will not look sus. One is left done. We are not going to look any sus. Okay. Body reported, guys. So we need to think. We don't need to act so sus. We need to play like pros. So orange. Okay, they are trying to vote out. Brown is okay. Okay, they are selling orange. Okay guys, so our teammate is going to die. No issues. We will vote him only because we don't have any clear idea. We know who it is, but we will act so not sus. So okay, so let's tell them. Orange left. So who to vote? Orange left. So who to vote? Okay, so everyone voted purple and purple, not the poster, guys. Yes, guys, now see what we do, how we play this game. We have 30 seconds cooldown, so I don't think so that would be enough. So we need to sabotage something and do just fake that we are doing this one, so no one comes here and goes there. And when they see I'm not doing it, then 5 4 0 3 7 done. Guys, tasks, check on the taskbar. Taskbar is getting filled quick. I need to get this. I need to get this kill. I need to get this kill. I don't know. I need to get this kill. I need to. I literally need to. Yes. Or else we'll just get apart. Get out from here. Serious. He was in the camera. That's good. He doesn't know I just went there beside him. Gosh. Brown. Pink light about purple. It's light blue. Brown sass. Oh, please. Like he needs to go. He knows way too much. He needs to go. I support Brown. Boss, he needs to go. He might be vented. I think it's cyan. So cyan is got voted. Guys, he knew way too much. He need to go. He knew way too much. Thank you guys for watching this video and meet you in the next